This man climbed Everest, solo, without oxygen, and then descended in a blizzard. His name is Kilian Jornet, and he didn't just climb the mountain. He challenged its very soul. Imagine this, a single figure against an infinite wall of ice and rock. The air so thin, it burns your lungs. Every step is a battle. Every breath is a victory. The wind screams like a banshee. Then, the descent. A whiteout blizzard descends, swallowing everything. Visibility drops to zero. He's utterly alone, lost, and frozen. Hours turn into an eternity. Hypothermia gnaws at his flesh. Hallucinations begin to dance in the swirling snow. But inside that battered body, an inferno of will burns. He refuses to yield. He stumbles, falls, gets back up. Driven by something primal, something unshakable. He fights the mountain. He fights himself. And then, a miracle. The storm breaks. He sees the path. He collapses onto the lower slopes, an exhausted shadow, alive. But what happened in the heart of that blizzard? What did he see in the darkness?